Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bilal Ahmed and in today's video I am going to be explaining you a topic Java. So let's get started. So what is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language that was developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle Corporation. In the mid-90s, it is designed to be platform independent, meaning that Java programs can run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine (JVM) installed, regardless of the underlying hardware and operating system. Key features of Java: platform independence. Java programs are compiled into an intermediate form called bytecode, which can be executed on any device with a compatible JVM. This write once, run anywhere principle has contributed to Java's widespread adoption. Object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming OOP language, which means it encourages the use of classes and objects. OOP principles such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism are fundamental of Java development. Syntax. Java syntax is similar to other C-based languages like C++ and C#, making it relatively easy for developers familiar with those languages to learn Java. Rich standard library. Java comes with a comprehensive standard library that provides a wide range of classes and packages for various functionalities, from basic data structures to networking and graphical user interface GUI development. Memory management. Java features automatic memory management through a garbage collector, which helps manage memory allocation and deallocation, reducing the risk of memory leaks. Security. Java has built-in security features such as the ability to run Java applets in a restricted environment, making it safer for running applications downloaded from the internet. Multi-threading. Java supports multi-threading, allowing developers to create concurrent multitasking programs. Community support. Java has a large and active developer community, contributing to its extensive ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools. Java is used for a variety of applications, including web development, mobile app development, Android applications, and primarily written in Java. Enterprises software, scientific applications, and more. The language continues to evolve with regular updates and enhancements to keep up with modern software development practices. Some differences between Java and C++. Platform independence. Java platform independence JVM based. C++ platform dependent, compiled for a specific platform. Memory management. Java automatic memory management garbage collector. C++ manual automatic memory management. Pointer arithmetic. Java no explicit pointer arithmetic. C++ allow explicit pointer arithmetic. Multiple inheritance. Java single inheritance through classes, multiple inheritance through interfaces. C++ supports both single and multiple inheritance. Exception handling. Java built-in check exceptions, enforce and compile time. C++ built-in exception not enforce, no explicit declaration of thrown type. Compilation and execution. Java compiled to bytecode interpreted by JVM. C++ compiled to machine code executed directly by the host system. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to hit the like button and I'll catch you in the next one.